What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Flanco Media. Today I got a surprise for you guys. So I did a thing, a big thing, a thing that has four wheels, and you can ride it in all terrain. Let me flip the camera. Bam! So I bought me ATV. This is a 2005-ish. I don't know. It's a Yamaha Blaster, 2-stroke. I got it for the low, nice deal. It's used, as you can see, but and it just needs a little TLC. It runs, it drives, it idles. It sounds amazing. Just needs a little TLC, but since I got it, I've already done the I've changed the oil. I've changed the oil and spark plugs. The next thing I'm gonna do is swap this muffler. As you can see, this shit is so ghetto. Ghetto fabrication over there. But I went ahead and bought a muffler already. It's gonna be my first mod. It's a FMF silencer. Let's see how quiet it gets. So yeah, that's gonna be my first mod. Hopefully I don't break shit. The second mod I'm gonna do is switch this back to the throttle thumb throttle. So this thing right here. So yeah, that's gonna be my first two mods I'm gonna do to it. But this shit sounds great. It sounds healthy. It starts right up at second kick. Gears are smooth. But yeah, it's a little fun project to do. I'm gonna change these tires. Put some smaller ones. I was thinking about lowering it, but nah, I kind of like it like this. Just put some smaller tires and I'll be straight. But yeah, let me go ahead and try to install this. Hopefully I don't have to weld anything. Alright, so the old one's out and this is a new one. Huge difference. This one's an old rink-a-dink one and then the new one. My next step is to I'm gonna try to mount it on the bolts, on the bolted areas, and then see what I gotta do next, like what piping I need to do to connect over here. Oh my god, look at this welding they did. Jesus Christ, so embarrassing. But yeah, let's see. So as you saw, everything's done. Looks way better than it did before. I bought these off Amazon specifically for this. These are like heat treated. It looks like a turbo blanket inside. Bought 2 of those to connect it. Honestly, I think this pipe is for it's for a dirt bike, not an ATV. Cause you can see how it's like facing the other way, but fuck it. This is just to have fun. But the next mod is gonna be change this out to the thumb one, and then little by little, yeah. I'm gonna try to change the tires, the rims, get the little net guard thingy for the foot right here. I'm not trying to make it too pretty, because then if I make it too pretty, then I don't want to mess it up. I bought this to have fun, break it, fall, learn how to wheelie, all that shit. Here's an old one. Rink-a-dink. This shit sounded really loud with this one. But yeah, it's just coming together.